Today we learn a simple but powerful word, allow. It helps you talk about permission or letting things happen. Allow means to give permission or to let someone do something. It is about saying yes or making something possible. Many learners confuse allow with help. Allow means permission, not assistance. Also, don't say allow to can. Common patterns are: allow someone to do something, allow for something, allow doing something less often. My parents allow me to stay out late. The rules allow for a break every 2 hours. This app does not allow editing after sending. Anna was nervous to ask, but her teacher allowed her to give a speech. That permission made her day special. Think of a gate that allows you to pass through. It's permission to enter or do something. Remember, allow means to give permission. Try using it today and see how it fits.